Also with Love Fabu. Today's question comes from a guy by the name of Sam. Sam wants to know why it is that he feels zen when he's on his yoga mat doing his practice, and then when he's off his mat living in his life and frustration and anger comes up, he loses it. He wants to know if I am zen all the time. Certainly not. I'm certainly not zen all the time. The idea is to practice. And the yoga mat, so to speak, is a great place to exercise that muscle of bringing ourselves present by using our breath, finding some compassion. Slowly as we flow and things come up emotionally, physically, we start to soften around them while we're on that mat. And then the idea really is to take that same experience off the mat into our daily lives so that when discomforts come up, when things don't go our way, when we don't seem to be flowing, we really start to try to connect and breathe. It's a practice, and it's a beautiful practice, and we shouldn't hold ourselves in judgment. What we should do is hold ourselves with compassion. So Sam, I'm in practice, and your awareness of the difference between your experience while you're on the mat and living in your life, that in itself is really the first part to illuminating the darkness. And in that space, I am certain that if you keep your awareness strong like it sounds like it is, and you start to develop a little more compassion, I guarantee you those harder moments will start to soften around their edges.